Yeah. Say what's up, say what's up.
What's going on, guys?
This is the mechanic here. This is Nick. I'll leave you a description. You can find him on Instagram. Yeah. Yo, what's going on with this? Ooh. Ooh. You guys are not ready for this one right here. This is standing, right? Hope you guys can see that right there. You guys can't even see it. This is the shop. This is where it's at. I'm not even gonna show you guys. I'm not even gonna show you guys nothing. This is what's being worked on right now. Yo, bro. What's going on with this? Where'd she go? Oh. I caught that. I saw it almost fell. Oh. 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 Check it out. Check it out. Oh, no way. Yep. Yep. Here, hold this.
Respect, please. My front plate is fucking shaky.
Standard. While we drive standard. Yo, if any of you guys need anything done to your cars, this guy right here. Trust me. I'll leave what's it called? What? What's it called when you leave that thing on Instagram? Follow him. I'll leave that thing. You guys know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
We have a Volvo engine and transmission right here.
Oh, no way.
We got Project Jetta coming.
Oh man.
Motor right here.
Motor right there for the
No
Jetta.
secret.
H22 coming for the Accord. Oh man, look at that. Oh,
Can't see the rest.
That's too much. Don't expose it. Don't expose it. Alright, yo, Nick, I'ma holler at you.
An
You already know.
E30 project coming just now too.
You guys hear that? You hear that? Don't worry, it's gonna be on the vlogs. Don't worry. I used to work here. Detailing, not anymore. Alright, yo, Nick. I'll holler at you. I need the back raised just a little. Can you do that?
When are you trying to raise it?
Yesterday. He's like, fuck.
He's like, shit, bro.
He's not ready to go home.
So soft. No, stop. Yo, let me hear this though.
I was a big
Let me hear this.
Tell me.
Let me hear this. Hold on. You know it. Changed the route, you fixed it. You fixed it, don't even route it no more.
Hold on. Do the spray. Do the spray. Do the spray.
Ah!
Do the spray.
Yeah. Don't gas this guy up real quick, bro.
Now when you choose it,
When you choosing, it's insane. Yeah, how's the throttle? How's the throttle?
What's that right on my exhaust, eh?
It's the exhaust.
I gotta fix that. I can't wait till Frank. I wanna bring it to Frank in the summertime. Let him do the whole system right. That's fucking Jada's like all the time.
Let me hear it again. Yo, you hear the turbo.
that's the thing. You hit the block value here. Yeah.
Yo, let me hear that again.
Now when you tune it, you mess up the pressure. you're gonna need them later on, but I don't. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Put that
Yo,
in.
I'm gonna bring my car up. Yo, you locked up, right?
Pardon?
You locked up, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna run this inside.
Oh, that sounds so nice. Cleaner, way cleaner.